Hello students, let's learn how to submit your poster in Canvathon 2024-25. Visit learn.yolo.com and log in using your ID and password. You can also log in with an OTP. Click on Techie in the left menu to open the Techie portal. In Techie, go to Sessions and select Canvathon 2024-2025. Then click the Go to Lab button. Click on the Go to Canva button to access the Canva website. Complete your project in Canva, download it and return to the Techie portal. On the right side, click the box to upload your project. In the Browse window, select your project file. Once your project is uploaded, click Next and then End Lab to submit it. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to submit the poster in Canvathon 2024-25.